welcome in 8th standard geography class. Dear students, you have seen mountains, plateaus, valleys, coastlines, deserts on the continent. Can we get to see such landforms like mountain valleys hills, peaks? Can we get to see such landform under the ocean? Let's get this information in today's lesson. That is lesson number 4. Lesson number 4, structure of ocean floor. In this lesson we are going to study ocean floor. So students, lithosphere means land. The area which is occupied by land is called lithosphere. Hydrosphere means Earth's that part which is covered by water. So all 7 continents and 5 oceans are the part of land, that is lithosphere and hydrosphere. Means all the continents and oceans are on the lithosphere and hydrosphere. All these 7 continents and 5 oceans lie on plates, that is tectonic plates. What is tectonic plates? It is a massive solid slab or a rock. There are 7 major tectonic plates and 8 minor tectonic plates. Do you know, students, tides? Tides means movement of water. When water resides, goes back, it is called low tide, and when the level of water is high, it comes near the coast, it is called high tide. So during low tide, ocean water goes back or down, and we get to see land below the water near the coast. Person who stay near the coast, person who study about ocean is called oceanographer. By studying oceanography, we get many career opportunities. After studying this ocean, about ocean or oceanography, we can get many job opportunities. Okay, student, hence this lesson is very important. Students, shipwreck or damaged when it hits or strikes against the rock in the ocean. You might have seen this incident in the film Titanic. Titanic was a huge ship, and that huge ship get damaged due to the striking of a big mountain or a big rock. So it is a real story. Okay, so we have studied these points. We are going to understand the appropriate option to the above points. Okay, first is surface of the earth is occupied by land and water. You know that earth's surface is occupied by land and water. Under the ocean also land is there. It is correct that under ocean also land is there. Water has same level, but submerged land is not even. Water level is same. Oceanic water level is same, but land which is under this water is not same, not even, and not plain. Up and down. That land is up and down. It is not even. The level of water is even, but the land which is below the water is not even. So let's start geographical explanation. We all know that there is a 71% water on the earth and 29% land on the earth. Level of water is even, but level of land is not even. Landforms on the earth are classified on the basis of altitude. The meaning of altitude is height above the sea level. Height of land above the sea level is called altitude. Submerged landforms are also classified on the basis of depth and the shape of the landform. To depth means below the sea level is called depth, and above the sea level is called altitude. So student, 8th standard student, kindly draw this 4.1 figure along with correct labels in your notebook. So students, what are the parameters we are used for classifying the landforms on the earth? You are seeing many types of landform on the earth. So how this by what criteria is there to classify this land? Okay, so depth is considered while classifying the land, altitude is considered while classifying the land, shape is also considered while classifying the land. So depth, altitude, shape, these are the parameters which are used for classifying the landforms. Parameters means criteria. Let's study the relief of ocean floor. What is the meaning of relief? Relief means land. How is the land under the ocean water? Land under the ocean water is called submerged land. So relief means land. So we are going to study about the relief of ocean floor. Submerged land below the ocean floor is called submerged land below the ocean water is called ocean floor. What is ocean floor? The land below the ocean is called ocean floor. So types of relief. Okay, land is classified according to the depth from sea level and shape of the land. So the land which is under the ocean is classified on the basis of depth and shape of the land. The average depth of the ocean is around 3,700 meters. What is the average depth of ocean? It is 3,700 meters. Ocean bed means land which is below the ocean. So ocean bed is not plain, not even, it is uneven. Okay, continent are also not plain, not even. There is up and downs on the continents. Hills are there, hillocks are there, valleys are there. Same. Under ocean also land is not plain. Okay, it is not same, it is not even. Ocean relief consists of submerged landforms. So under the ocean landforms are there, and one by one we will study. Major means main landforms, submerged main landforms, landforms which is under the water. So the first landform is continental shelf. This landform is near coast. Where does we find such type of continental shelf? It is near coast. It is called coastal land which is submerged under the sea. This submerged land under the sea is called continental shelf. This is a shallowest part of ocean. Shallow means not deep. This continental shelf is shallow part. Okay, another name of continental shelf is submerged coastland. Continental shelf is known by coastal land, submerged coastal land. Continental shelf is narrow along some continents and broad along the other continents. You can see India's map. Okay, western continental shelf is broad and eastern continental shelf is narrow. So this continental shelf, somewhere it is narrow, somewhere it is broad. Continental shelf depth is 200 meter below the sea level. Continental shelf की depth क्या है? 200 meters. For humans, this continental shelf is very important. For us, this continental shelf is very important as it is having extensive means large fishing grounds. Continental shelf has large fishing grounds, and due to shallowness, and this is shallow part, and due to its shallowness, sunlight reaches there ocean start होता है. So third major landform is third major submerged landform is abyssal plain. Abyssal plain starts beyond continental slope. मतलब continental slope के बाद आता है abyssal plain. उसका नाम ही plain है. So it is flat. Hence its name is abyssal plain. Abyssal plain consists of hills, plateaus. Okay. And fourth submerged land we are studying, it is mountain ranges and plateaus. Yes, under ocean also mountain ranges are there, plateaus are there. Under seabed mountain ranges are there, plateaus are there. Hills are 100 km wide and 1000 km long. Hills are there which are 100 km wide and 1000 km long. Peak of these mountains are above sea level. इनके जो पिक होते हैं, माउंटेन्स के जो पिक होते हैं, वो सी के ऊपर आते हैं. उनको हम बोलते हैं, we call them marine islands. So Iceland is, for example, marine islands example is Iceland in Atlantic Ocean. Marine island का example है Iceland in Atlantic Ocean. Andaman Nicobar is also a marine island. Marine means in about ocean. So Andaman and Nicobar also a marine islands, and these Andaman and Nicobar islands are in Bay of Bengal. Summits means, the meaning of summit is highest point of a mountain. The meaning of summit is highest point of a mountain. Summits of some marine islands are flat, extensive. Means peaks of some marine islands are flat and extensive. Some islands are flat and extensive. Such flat, extensive summits are called submarine plateaus. The mountains whose top is flat, it is called plateau. If the top of mountains is flat, it is called plateaus. So submarine plateaus are there under the ocean. Chagos Plateau in Indian Ocean. In Indian Ocean, Chagos Plateau is there. So students, next landform we are going